The mixing ratio of air interactive calculator determines the moisture content in air for various atmospheric conditions. This calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate mixing ratio from vapor pressure. Calculate mixing ratio from relative humidity. Calculate mixing ratio from dew point temperature. Calculate relative humidity from mixing ratio. Calculate vapor pressure from mixing ratio. And calculate saturation mixing ratio. For this demonstration, I'll use calculate mixing ratio from vapor pressure. The input fields include vapor pressure E in millibars, total pressure P in millibars, relative humidity RH as a percentage from 0 to 100, temperature T in degrees Celsius, dew point temperature TD in degrees Celsius, and mixing ratio W in grams per kilogram. Let's work through an example. When calculating mixing ratio from vapor pressure, you'll enter the vapor pressure E and total pressure P values. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays your calculated mixing ratio, showing how many grams of water vapor exist per kilogram of dry air. The calculator also provides supporting values like saturation vapor pressure, relative humidity, saturation mixing ratio, and dew point temperature to give you a complete picture of the atmospheric moisture conditions. Find the link in the description below.